Welcome to training module on policy issuance process for Sarthi program. As you all know, Sarthi is a partnership program for point of sale persons associated with Anand Rathi Insurance Brokers Limited. Now that you have already signed up as a Sarthi, sign in as a Sarthi by entering your mobile number, the registered mobile number, and the password that you have set for this portal. Once you sign in, you will land on this home page. Select product home and go to health insurance. Once you go to this page, please put the PIN code of the customer where the customer resides. Select the sum insured preference. Here you will have a wide range that is ranging from 1 lakh to 5 lakh from which your customer can select. Put the mobile number of your customer, make sure it's correct, and click on next button. The portal gives you options of selling two types of policies. One is individual and one is family insurance. By selecting self, you are selecting to buy a individual health insurance. Let us see the process. Select self, enter the age of the customer and click on next. Once you click on next, you will see the kind of quotes that come up for the selected sum insured and also the type of policy. Let us wait. Here you can see total 11 plans coming up for the particular sum insured that has been selected and the kind of policy that has been selected. For explaining the products to the customer in detail, you can go through all the benefits which are given under each plans. When you click on view more, you will also be able to see the kind of cover that is given for each of the benefits. For example, treatment of cataract under care insurance is up to 30,000 per eye. Similarly, you will see the coverages for all the benefits when you click on the same. So this is how you can explain the product to the customer in detail. Now that you have explained all the products, share the quotes with the customer. You may select all the quotes to be shared with the customer or the specific quotes that the customer has shortlisted, but make sure that they are not less than 3. At least 3 quotes have to be selected for sharing it with the customer. Now that you have selected the quotes, click on next. Enter the details of your customer